There was an older guy who was broke with a small house and a car on its last legs. His only income was a monthly $99 Social Security check. At age 65, he decided things had to change. So he thought about what he had to offer. His friends raved about his chicken recipe, and he thought this was his best shot at making a change. He got in the old car and traveled to different states trying to sell his chicken recipe. He told restaurant owners that he had a mouthwatering chicken recipe. He offered the recipe to them for free, only asking for a small cut of the items that sold. This may have been the first royalty deal. Seemed like a pretty good deal too, right? Unfortunately, most of the restaurants didn't think so. This guy heard no over 1,000 times. Even after all of those rejections, he didn't give up. He believed his chicken recipe was something special. He got rejected 1,009 times before he heard his first yes. With that one success, Colonel Heartland Sanders changed the way Americans and most of the world eat chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken, popularly known as KFC, was born. You're never too old or too young to follow your dreams, even if your financial situation keeps reminding you that you shouldn't. If you're delivering the goods, if you believe in your company and what you're providing, then every no you get brings you closer to success. Never, never, never give up on something you believe in. Keep going. I guarantee you that at some point in the future, you'll thank yourself. And if you need a small dose of confidence building, I'm happy to help you. Just reach out. If you found this video helpful and haven't already, please consider subscribing. By sharing and subscribing, we help each other become more successful, determined, stronger, and happier. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thanks for watching. Much more to come. Have a rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.